Osmo Mobile 6 Firmware Update. How to update. 1. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Mount your smartphone correctly to the gimbal. 2. Ensure there's enough battery. The system status indicator is solid yellow or green. Launch the DJI Mimo app and connect to the gimbal Bluetooth. 3. If there's new firmware, DJI Mimo will send a prompt for an update. 4. Tap the prompt to download the latest firmware. After downloading, tap to install and start updating. 5. The update takes about 2 minutes while the system status indicator alternates, blinking red and green. 6. After the update, the system status indicator turns solid green, and the DJI Mimo app sends a prompt for a successful update. Update reminder. If the update fails, restart and connect the devices, and try again.